I'm sure you're interested in learning what exactly is digital democracy. Well, digital democracy or e-democracy refers to the various ways by which electronic platforms can engage and secure the wider and more informed participation of the public.
The implementation of modern technology has brought tremendous amounts of innovation and prosperity into the most diverse of fields, and democracy was not an exception to this phenomena. In GA, we will be discussing exactly how.
Digital technology in the modern age has the capacity to better and revolutionize democracy as we know it today. The implementation of digital technology into democracy has substantially improved citizens' quality of life and their ability to exercise their rights to freedom of expression, civic life, and to hold public officials accountable, as well as the state's ability to hold free and fair elections.
But BIMUN is not only a place for discussion and debate, it is a place for you to meet new people and make new friendships. There are a lot of social activities from welcoming dinner to the diplomatic ball. A perfect way to take a break from the debate and enjoy socializing to the fullest.
It is inevitable that the digital world will impact democracy, and there are a lot of stuff to discuss. What are the main problems digital democracy is facing, and how is COVID-19 accelerating the race of digital democracy are one of the many questions we will be discussing at BIMUN Conference. So come and join us. We'll be waiting for you in General Assembly. Apply now and secure your spot at one of the most important committees.